If you've been wanting to start a blog but you feel overwhelmed by the setup, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to start a blog with Bluehost as a complete beginner, step by step, without the confusion. By the end, you'll have your blog set up, your first WordPress website created, and you'll know exactly how to publish your first post. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly website and blogging tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout, because Bluehost makes the process pretty simple once you know where to look. From here, we're going to build your blog from scratch. Next, go to the website section and click Add Website. This is where Bluehost lets you create a brand new site for your blog. If you already have other websites connected to your account, don't worry, you can still add a new one here without affecting anything else. Now Bluehost will ask what platform you want to use. Select WordPress. Since WordPress is one of the most popular blogging platforms in the world, it's a great choice for beginners because it gives you flexibility, customization, and room to grow as your blog expands. After that, choose Create with AI. This option helps Bluehost generate the initial version of your website for you, which makes the setup process much faster. Instead of starting from a blank screen, Bluehost will build a basic blog structure that you can customize later. Then you'll be prompted to enter your website or blog name. This is the name people will see, so choose something that matches your niche or brand. Right below that, add a short description of your blog. Keep it clear and simple. For example, you might describe what your blog is about, who it's for, or what kind of content you plan to publish. Once you enter those details, let Bluehost generate the initial website. This may take a few moments, so give it a little time to build everything for you. During this stage, Bluehost is setting up the WordPress installation and creating the foundation for your blog. After the website is generated, complete the setup process. Bluehost may show you a few additional prompts or confirmation screens, so just follow the on-screen instructions until everything is finished. When the setup is complete, your blog is officially created. Now go back to the website section and open your new website from there. This is where you can access your blog and begin making changes. At this point, you should have a basic WordPress site ready to go. If you want to make your blog look more professional, you can customize it later using WordPress themes, templates, and the WordPress editor. That's one of the biggest advantages of using WordPress through Bluehost, because you're not stuck with the default design. You can change the appearance, update the layout, and make the site match your brand as your blog grows. Now let's get to the most important part, which is creating your first blog post. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts, then click Add New Post. This will open the editor where you can start writing your content. If you're a beginner, don't worry about making it perfect right away. The goal is simply to get your first post published. Add your title at the top of the post. Make it clear, searchable, and relevant to the topic you're writing about. Then start adding your content below it. You can write your introduction, break the article into sections, and include helpful tips, personal experiences, or answers to common questions your readers might have. When your post is ready, click Publish. This makes your article live on your blog so other people can read it. And just like that, you've started your blog, created your first website with Bluehost, and published your first WordPress post. From here, the best thing you can do is keep going. Add more posts, customize your design, and keep learning how to improve your content. Blogging is all about consistency, and the more you publish, the better your blog will become. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. It really helps the channel and lets me know to make more beginner tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.